Quite a few students have asked about number 27. How do we find the measure of arc EG? Well, I'm guessing a lot of people thought, let's use the brand new idea that we just learned about an angle whose vertex is on the exterior of the circle and whose rays are two secants. And that relationship is that the measure of the angle is 1/2 of the difference between the big arc it intercepts and the small arc that it intercepts. Angle F is 1/2 of 137 minus the measure of arc EG. However, you would have had a difficult time finding the measure of angle F. We know that the big arc is 137, and what we're looking for goes here. But to find what we're looking for, we would need to know what the measure of angle F is. So maybe you could do that. Maybe you did do that. But there's a much easier way to find the measure of arc EG. And it doesn't use the brand new material. It uses things from section 4. These angles are both congruent because they're both inscribed angles which intercept the same exact arc, the one we're looking for. Whether it's angle D, an inscribed angle that intercepts arc EG, or angle H, an inscribed angle which intercepts arc EG. They both intercept the same arc, so they're congruent. And that relationship is this inscribed angle times 2 will give you the arc. So if we knew either of these, then we just have to double it and we've got our answer. So let's go ahead and find this one. I will zoom in a little bit. And we're going to find this angle, after which we just double it and we have our answer. We'll find this angle by using the triangle sum theorem with this triangle. Now you might have noted that these are vertical angles and written in an 89 right here, and that'd be fine, but it's not necessary. To find this arc, we just need to find this angle. And to do that, we need to know these two angles of the yellow triangle. We only know this one right here, which is 89. How many degrees is this angle by vertex E? Well, do you see that that angle is an inscribed angle and that it intercepts this arc? This arc, which is 137 degrees. Therefore, we know that the inscribed angle is 1/2 of that. So 137 divided by 2 gives us this yellow triangle's angle over here in this corner, which means we've got an 89 degree angle and a 68.5 degree angle. So now we can find angle D's measure. Let's zoom back out. Show our work. Show our work right over here. Add up to 3 angles, the measure of angle D plus 89 plus 68.5, and we know that they add up to 180, so then we can solve for the measure of angle D. So the measure of angle D, if we subtract these from both sides, is 22.5. And therefore, the inscribed angle at 22.5 degrees intercepts an arc, which will be twice as big, and 22.5 times 2 is 45 degrees. And there we have it. That is how you do number 27.